Transferring XRP from Robinhood to a sham wallet is a straightforward process. To start, open your sham wallet and connect your hardware device. Then log into your account and click on the Request button at the top. This will give you access to your wallet address and QR code. Click the Copy button to copy your wallet address. Next, open the Robinhood app and click on the search bar, located at the bottom of the screen, which looks like a magnifying glass. Type XRP in the search bar and select the XRP option from the crypto section. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, where you'll see two options, and click on the Send button. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer in your local currency and click Continue. You can then either scan the QR code from your sham wallet using your phone's camera or click Enter manually and paste the wallet address. Double check that the amount and wallet address are correct. Then click Transfer. Your XRP will be transferred from Robinhood to your sham wallet. The entire process is quick and easy to complete.